And the question is how to convert a 2:1 multiplexer into an XNOR gate. Let me reveal its answer. This is XNOR and this is a symbol of XNOR gate. It is not of XOR gate. It has two inputs A and B and this is a truth table of XNOR gate. When A is 0, B is 0, output is 1. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. When both A and B are 1, output is 1. Now I will convert 2:1 multiplexer into an XNOR gate. And this is a symbol of 2:1 multiplexer. And as a thumb rule, we will apply one of the input to the select line and I am applying A at the select line. When A is 0, I know that I0 will be passed at the output of the multiplexer. And let us see what is the expected output. When A is 0, what is the expected output? It is B bar. Because when B is 0, output is 1. When B is 1, output is 0. So we will apply B bar at I0 input. When A is 1, so I know that I1 will be passed at the output of the multiplexer. Let us see what is the expected output. Expected output is B. Because when B is 0, output is 0. When B is 1, output is 1. So we will apply B at I1 input. This is how we can implement an XNOR gate using 2:1 multiplexer.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your support means a lot to us.